loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a home decor haul, and specifically I'm going to be showing you guys decor that I bought for my bedroom. I pretty much buy new decor every like 6 months just to keep it updated and feeling fresh. I also want to add that I decorate on a budget, so everything that I get is always super affordable, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to decorate your place. The places where I get the most decor from is Walmart, Burlington, TJ Maxx, places like that. So this first thing I got is from Walmart, and it is this big heavy mirror. Oh my gosh, it looks like this. It's really nice and classy looking, and you guys would not believe how much this was. This was $30. So the reason why I bought this mirror, I bought this to go on top of my vanity because, as you can see, I don't even have a mirror up there. So yeah, I'm actually gonna put it up there right now because I just couldn't wait any longer. What do you guys think? I think it looks really nice. Okay, so the next thing that I got also has to do with my vanity. It's actually a DIY project that I did today. So if you're wondering, I got this vanity from Bed Bath & Beyond like 4 years ago, and it came with the little stool right there. But I didn't really like how the stool looked. I thought it was pretty boring, and I wanted to make it a little cuter. So I went to the craft store. I went to Joann's Fabrics, and I picked up this white shaggy fabric, and seriously it took me 5 minutes to make that. So literally all I did was use a hot glue gun to glue the fabric onto the chair, and it seriously was so easy and so fast. It turned out great, and I'm so happy with how it looks. I just think it looks a lot cuter with the fur. So this isn't necessarily new. I've had this for a while, but I never showed you guys. I got this little mirror drawer set from Burlington, and I use it to hold like little samples and makeup. And I also got these little artificial flowers in this silver vase, and I got this from Burlington as well. I got this little canvas print. I thought this was really cute. This was only like $4.99. Moving on over here, I've had this for a while too, but you wouldn't believe how much I got this for. This was on clearance. The whole design is cracked, obviously, but there's like a huge crack somewhere. Oh, I think it's right here. I don't know if you could see it, but right there. And honestly, it doesn't even bother me. But this was on clearance for $6 just because it had the crack in it. And then I just put some artificial flowers from the Dollar Tree in there. Okay, so now moving on to the other part of the bedroom, and that is our bed. And we just recently got a brand new bed, and I absolutely love it. It is so comfortable. It is the best mattress that I have ever owned. And if you're wondering what kind of mattress we got the mattress from this brand called Zenith. And basically they make memory foam mattresses, and they are just so amazingly comfortable. So yeah, that leads me to the next thing that I bought yesterday, and that is from Marshall's, another place that I love to shop a lot. And I just got a couple of decorative pillows. And I love these because one side is just plain, but then if you turn it around, the other side has this really pretty design on it. So you can have them going either way, and it can kind of like switch up your decor. So yeah, I got 2 pillows. So it was $24.99 for both of these. So that is another way I like to decorate the bed, is with a lot of pillows. It can really change the look of your bed and make it look cozier. It's just a really simple way to add some decor. So I also got this blanket from Burlington, and I just use it on the bed as some extra decor. This blanket only cost $14.99. So I actually got this a while ago, but this is one of those oil diffusers. I love turning this on when it's nighttime and I'm getting ready to go to bed because it's so relaxing. And I love how it changes colors and it lights the room up, and it just makes it a really relaxing like spa ambiance. And then when I add the essential oils to it, it helps me sleep so good. So yeah, that completes my home decor haul. I hope I gave you guys a lot of inspiration or maybe some ideas. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, because I absolutely love doing them, and home decor is one of my hobbies for sure. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys!